Question number 24. A curve has an equation y is equal to fx. There is only one turning point for this curve. The coordinates of the turning point is 4, 3. Write down the coordinates of the turning point on the curve with the equation part 1 y equals fx plus 5. This is from graph translations. Move the x coordinate 5 units left hand direction. Plus y, we move in the opposite direction, then it becomes minus. Same y coordinate, it doesn't change. Then the turning point of the x coordinate should move towards left hand direction 5 units. Then y coordinate is same and x coordinate is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So coordinates are minus 1, 3. Second part, y equals fx plus 7. This is also graph translation. Move the point 7 units up. So the change has to do for the y coordinate. Same x coordinate. Y coordinate moves 7 units upward. Upward means plus. 7 plus 3 is 10. So the coordinates of the turning point is 4, 10. Third part, y is equal to f2x. This change has happened to inside of the function. That means the x coordinate, multiply the x coordinate by a factor of half. Multiply x coordinate by half. 4 times half is 2. Same y coordinate. So the turning point is 2, 3. This is translation part 1. Part 2 also translation. Part 3 is reflection.